Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move your notes to a folder using the notes application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the notes application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go over onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Notes application. Enter to open up the application. And now, as you can see from the previous tutorials, we have created folders in the past. And so we have a folder called New Folder. If we go back to all on my Mac, we have 3 notes which we can move to the new folder. Right click on a note and move to on my Mac new folder. As you can see, we now have the table note within new folder. Let's go back to notes, or let's go back to all on my Mac. Computer Science Videos, move to new folder. And there we have 2 notes within new folder and 1 note within notes. So we can now quit notes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.